boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to make an apple into a pumpkin. Abracadabra, alakazam! Not really. Here's how. You'll need an apple, some paintbrushes, paper, and a paper plate. First, cut your apple in half. Have an adult help you cut an apple in half this way. Next, put some paint on the plate. Let's see if this works. Press the apple into the paint. This is going to get a little messy. See? Now let's press it onto the paper this way. Press down. Lift straight up. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try it again. Ready? Maybe I have to smear it. Is that what's wrong? Okay, let's try it some more. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Okay, well, I'm going to put more paint on here. What color did I have? This color? Looks like a pretty color, orange. Alright. Well, maybe I should just put the paint right on the apple. Let's try that. Alright, I put the paint right on the apple this time. There, that worked. Let's make another one. Uh-oh, I got it on the tablecloth. Time for cleanup. Alright, let's try the other half. This time I have a a paper towel ready. Okay, I see it's getting everywhere. Okay, and then press it onto the paper. Let's press this one. Okay, now let's get a little bit of green. Okay, now for some green paint. See what we can make. Could get some little vines going maybe. A stem. This flat brush maybe will make a good stem. Like that. Starting to look like a pumpkin. Now let's get the other kind of paint to make those little curly cues that I always see. Remember those kind of little curly cues? You've seen those before. I think that's supposed to be the vine. There's some grass. Let's put grass. Like they're sitting in the grass. Does that look like grass to you? There's some pumpkins. Pretty cute, huh? Alright, now it's time for cleanup. Let's clean up our brushes. But there's your picture of some pumpkins out of an apple. And there you have it, my friends. A picture you made a pumpkin out of an apple. Ta-da!